HA1, HA1. Tell me connection by position. Okay.
Pose.
Connection by position. A. Next. A underscore
FA.
FA. Okay. Design inputs are same only, no? A and B. Okay. A underscore FA. And next, comma,
B underscore FA.
dot B. Dot B. B underscore FA. And comma, dot S. Dot sum or S? Sum, no?
Some.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, sum. Okay. Dot sum. Sum. Sum underscore FA.
FA.
Comma. Dot. Tell me. Carry.
Carry.
Carry. Dot carry.
Underscore
Uh,
FA.
carry. See out, no? See out. Here what you will get? Here W1, no? Sum comma W1 you will get.
W1.
W1. Again carry comma what you will get? W2,
Uh,
W1. And next C in underscore FA. And next output sum underscore FA. And W3 you will get. W3 you will get. Okay. And next assign W. What happened? Okay.
where it?
Okay. So next what you need to do? Run simulation, run behavioral simulation. Run simulation, run behavioral simulation. So not simulation, just elaborate the design. Just elaborate the design. Simulation part. You see two half adders came, no? Two half adders and one OR gate came or not?
Cam, sir.
Okay. Here if you keep plus sign and if you expand, this is so design a full adder by using two half adders and one OR gate. Your tool is converting your code into this.
Oh, slide.
Okay. Okay. Is it fine? This one you need to check in the Vivado. Have you checked? Have you practicing the codes in the Vivado?
Yeah, I am practicing, sir.
Practicing. Okay. This code also you practice. I will share this code.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
I try to practice.
This code also you practice. Okay. So next class we will start with operators. Okay.
Okay.
So today's session, any doubts or queries?
Um, I try to study first again so the code for the half header and then the instantiation for the we combine the full header, right, sir?
Hmm, 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 hmm.
So
Yeah.
I try to study again that one, the
Okay.
part wire or I mean the net.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Port rule connections.
Yeah,
Hmm, hmm. Okay. 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 Then we'll meet tomorrow.
sure, sir.